Took a little break.
Yeah, so I've been writing songs for about 10 years, and I figured I need to let them breathe a little.
Yeah.
Instead of playing them in the living room, so.
Let's hear something from Harvest Sons. What's the first thing you're going to play?
I will play for you, it's called Leave the Light on, Lindsay.
Mm-hmm.
It's about being on the road all the time and, being away from home.
Yeah.
So, just a song I wrote for my wife.
Is that your wife's
name?
name? That's
Yeah.
awesome. Man, it's like the tally at the end of a telethon when you do something like that. When you write a song for your wife, the points rack up. I mean,
I know.
I could keep you here all night and you would get home till 3 in the morning and be like, honey, remember that song I wrote you?
Yeah,
What about that song I wrote you? Or just play it.
That's about all I have to give her, so.
You can apologize anytime with the guitar.
Yeah.
Harvest Sons, Seth Cocquit is doing it in the studio, FM 95 mornings. Love live music on Fridays. Here we go with the piece from Harvest Sons on FM 95 mornings.
Ready? I'm ready if you're ready.
I'm ready, Seth. Do it, bud.
Leave on the big porch light. I'm coming home tonight. And I've been missing sleep and missing you now for a little while. And I can't wait to walk through that door. Set this guitar case down on our kitchen floor. Make love, sweet, sweet love that's long overdue. Well, I've been on the road, rolling on like stone, singing about Jesus and drinking, him bearing a heavy load. And I love you, and I miss you so. But I'll see you again here soon, Lindsay. Leave that porch light on. It's hard to admit the truth. Highway's supposed to set me free. This asphalt's a prison, and I'm already between lines. Oh, I've been on the road, rolling on all alone, singing about redemption and Jesus saving my soul. And I love you, and I miss our home. But I'll see you again here soon, Lindsay. Leave that porch light on. 'Cause I've been on the road, rolling on like stone, singing songs about you and Jesus and how I need you both. And I love you, and I hate to hang the phone. But I'll see you again here soon, Lindsay. Leave that porch light on. Oh, I hear the boys calling. I gotta do one last show.
Harvest Sons, Leave the Light on. Lindsay, Seth Cocquit in the studio. His 3 partners in crime couldn't be with him today, dude. That makes me want to run home and kiss my wife. That's great, man.
There's something to be said about having a day job and going home every night. You know what I mean?
That is great. And seriously, I know you probably got a couple guitars sitting around the house. That's easy apology. Just like, Lindsay, man, I'm sorry. Just play that song for her every time. Great songwriting, man.
Thank you.